Humanity has engaged in the study and postulation of the stars for centuries. They've dreamed of reaching beyond our world. That dream is becoming a reality. Space colonization is no longer science fiction.
Space colonization is today a reality. Building space stations for thousands of inhabitants is technologically and economically feasible. For less than the annual budget of the U.S. military, experts suggest that creating permanent outposts in space could be achieved. In the 1970s, researchers supported by NASA explored various designs for space colonies, operating with a budget of under $35 billion. This amount corresponds to over $200 billion in today's currency, excluding the benefits of modern technology.
This initiative emphasizes the potential for expanding human habitation beyond Earth and indicates that the feasibility of residing in space may be more realistic than previously anticipated.
Earth is facing challenges like dwindling resources, environmental issues, and conflict. Space offers solutions.
We are pleased to announce the launch of a new initiative focused on establishing a permanent human presence in space. This ambitious plan marks the beginning of a new era of exploration and discovery. We invite you to join us on this remarkable journey into the cosmos.
Let's talk about Blackwell Corporation. But like any major move, this idea raises some serious ethical questions. I mean, we're talking about the future of humanity, our approach to resources, and even how we interact with potential extraterrestrial life. First off, let's look at the ethical side. The current space race is all about national prestige and hunting for resources. Sounds familiar, right? It's like a cosmic game of Monopoly. But this competition could lead to environmental damage on celestial bodies and might even mess with extraterrestrial ecosystems. Before we blast off, we really need to think about setting up some ethical guidelines and international agreements. It's not just about planting a flag on Mars, it's about ensuring our actions are responsible and sustainable for the long run. Now let's bring in some ethical theories. Utilitarianism, for example, suggests we should focus on actions that benefit the most people. So should we be pouring resources into space colonization when we have so many problems here on Earth? It's a tough call. We could argue that those resources might be better spent solving our own planet's issues first. Then there's rights-based ethics and environmental ethics. These frameworks emphasize the rights of all beings and ecosystems, even those beyond Earth. The concern here is that space colonization might lead to the exploitation of extraterrestrial resources and could violate the rights of any potential extraterrestrial life. Virtue ethics also has a say. Sure, space exploration can be seen as a courageous and adventurous pursuit, but if not handled correctly, it can also be seen as reckless. The pursuit of knowledge shouldn't overshadow the potential harm to other celestial bodies and their inhabitants, and then there's the issue of justice and fairness. The current space race is dominated by a few wealthy nations and private corporations. This concentration of power and resources could marginalize developing countries and exacerbate global inequalities. We need to ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared fairly and that we avoid unchecked corporate influence in space. So what's the takeaway? Before we embark on space colonization, it's crucial to establish ethical guidelines and foster international cooperation. The focus should be on responsible practices and ensuring that the pursuit of space benefits all of humanity, not just a privileged few. Blackwell Corporation is no stranger to pushing boundaries.
For decades, we've been at the cutting edge of innovation. We've revolutionized energy production and pioneered new technologies. We are embarking on a journey into space with a clear vision to establish self-sustaining colonies that will serve as a new home for humanity. The Blackwell Corporation is uniquely positioned to lead this initiative. The first step in this ambitious journey is choosing the right location. Blackwell Corporation has set its sights on the L5 Lagrange point. Why L5? Because in the vastness of space, location is everything. And L5, this special place, offers a unique set of advantages. Imagine a cosmic dance between Earth and the Moon. Now picture a point, L5, perfectly balanced in their gravitational embrace. Objects placed here don't drift away. This stability is crucial. It means we can build large structures without continuously fighting against gravity's pull. It means less fuel, less cost, and more efficiency. According to NASA, there are 5 key locations known as Lagrange points, where a smaller mass can achieve a stable orbit in relation to 2 larger masses. At these points, the gravitational forces exerted by the 2 larger bodies are in equilibrium, or perfectly balanced with the centripetal force required for the smaller object to maintain its orbital trajectory. This intricate scenario is positioned within the context of the general 3-body problem, which was extensively analyzed by the distinguished Italian-French mathematician Joseph Louis Lagrange in his influential paper Essai sur le problème des trois corps, published in 1772. Among these 5 Lagrange points, 3 are categorized as unstable, designated L1, L2, and L3. In contrast, the remaining 2 points, L4 and L5, are considered stable, forming the vertices of 2 equilateral triangles, with the larger masses at their respective points. Specifically, L4 orbits in advance of the Earth, while L5 follows behind.
This unique location offers several key advantages. It offers stability, reducing the need for constant course correction. It provides access to resources from both Earth and the Moon. L5 is a strategic launchpad for humanity's expansion into the solar system. It's the starting point for a new chapter in human history. Imagine the vastness of space. Within this expanse, there exist pockets of stability. These are the Lagrange points, named after Joseph Louis Lagrange. These locations are strategically important for space exploration. L5 stands out as a prime location for Blackwell Corporation's project. Think of them as gravitational sweet spots, cosmic parking spaces.
L5 provides a distinct combination of stability and ease of access. Objects placed at L5 tend to stay put, reducing fuel expenditure. The stability of L5 makes it well-suited for large-scale structures, such as the proposed space colony. It ensures a predictable and easily accessible location for future missions. This proximity is crucial for transporting resources and supplies.
The Moon, with its wealth of resources, is key to Blackwell Corporation's vision. L5's proximity to the Moon makes it ideal for lunar mining operations. This access to lunar resources is crucial for the colony's self-sufficiency. L5 is more than just a link to the Moon, it's a gateway to the solar system. Its stable position and access to resources make it ideal. Blackwell Corporation is building a future where humanity can explore the cosmos. Imagine a future where we harness the sun's energy and extract the wealth of asteroids. We'll build solar power satellites, beaming clean energy back to Earth, powering our future with sustainable and renewable energy sources. This is not just a fantasy. Beyond the Moon are asteroids, large chunks of rock and metal, overflowing with valuable resources. L5 will serve as our launch pad, acting as a bridge to access this untapped treasure.
Picture this, a colossal wheel, a marvel of engineering turning against the backdrop of the cosmos. This is the Blackwell habitat, humanity's first permanent settlement in space. Not just a space station, it's peak human ingeniousness. The Blackwell habitat is designed for sustainability. The wheel shape creates artificial gravity for long-term habitation. 6 spokes connect the outer ring at the hub used for docking. This is the Blackwell habitat, a beacon of hope.
Outer space presents challenges. The Blackwell habitat is designed to create artificial gravity using centrifugal force. In space, gravity can be unpredictable. Prolonged exposure to zero gravity can weaken bones and lead to muscle atrophy. Our spinning habitat generates a centrifugal force that mimics the effects of gravity, providing a comfortable environment for our colonists at L5. This expansive structure, 3 kilometers across, is not just a cramped space station. It's large enough to house a small city. Picture looking out your window to see the habitat's curve, stars above and Earth below. More than just a residence, this habitat is an entire ecosystem with parks, lakes, and artificial weather, designed to offer a sense of normalcy and a taste of Earth among the stars. Stand inside the outer ring with your feet firmly on the floor. The rotation is carefully calculated to simulate Earth's gravity. You can walk, run, jump, or even spill your drink just like on Earth. The habitat's rotation is imperceptible.
The Blackwell habitat isn't just a home, it's a vibrant city among the stars. Think of it, a vibrant, rotating ring that offers ample space for every aspect of your life. Whether you're working, unwinding, or fully enjoying the comforts of home, picture vibrant residential neighborhoods where comfort meets community. Envision inviting spaces designed not just for living, but for thriving together. These areas foster connections, encourage gatherings, and create a sense of belonging, making every day feel like a warm embrace of togetherness. Imagine lively commercial districts teeming with energy, where the aroma of diverse cuisines wafts through the air with colorful shopfronts beckoning with their unique offerings. The streets are alive with chatter and laughter, inviting you to explore a world of flavors and treasures waiting to be discovered. Imagine modern labs and industrial facilities where innovation meets advanced technology. Imagine vast parks and lush greenery, inviting you to stroll beneath towering trees, losing yourself in nature's embrace. As night falls, the sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of twinkling stars, inspiring you to gaze upward and dream.
Stepping out onto a new world and breathing fresh air, feeling the wind on your face, is a quintessential human experience. Imagine stepping inside, leaving the sterile environment of your spacecraft behind. The airlock hisses shut, and as you remove your helmet, you take a deep breath. The air is crisp, clean, and eerily familiar. Plants thrive in this controlled environment, filtering the air and creating a sense of tranquility. The gentle hum of life support systems fades into the background.
Space is a harsh mistress. Beyond Earth's protective atmosphere, we are bombarded by harmful radiation. The Blackwell habitat stands as a fortress against this cosmic onslaught. Imagine the habitat's outer shell as a thick protective skin. This isn't just any material, it's lunar regolith, transformed into a robust shield. Within this shielded haven, life flourishes, unburdened by the constant threat of radiation. The colony's inhabitants can live, work, and dream without the shadow of this invisible danger.
Building a home in space isn't just about technical specifications. The Blackwell habitat incorporates design elements that cater to the psychological well-being of its inhabitants. Imagine gazing out of your window at the infinite expanse of space. Spacious parks filled with lush vegetation and the soothing sound of flowing water offer a sanctuary for relaxation. The gentle hum of activity, the laughter of children playing, the familiar rhythms of life, these are the sounds of a thriving community. The Blackwell habitat is a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and flourish.
Imagine a city not confined by earthly constraints, but sprawling along the inside of a rotating wheel in space. This is the Blackwell habitat, a testament to human innovativeness. The layout of this celestial city is a careful blend of practicality and human-centric design. The habitat's outer ring is divided into distinct zones, each serving a specific purpose. Residential districts designed for comfort and community are interspersed with vibrant commercial hubs and industrial sectors. Expansive agricultural regions, vital for achieving self-sufficiency, enhance the landscape with a rich palette of green hues. This intricate tapestry of life forms the backbone of a thriving spacefaring civilization.
In the Blackwell habitat, the concept of home takes on a whole new meaning. Residential districts are designed to foster a sense of community and connection with nature. Imagine waking up to sunlight streaming through large panoramic windows. Your home is filled with natural light and features advanced climate control systems. Step outside and you'll find yourself in a vibrant community hub. Parks and green spaces provide a sense of tranquility and offer spaces for recreation. The Blackwell habitat reimagines residential life, offering a harmonious blend of comfort, community, and a profound connection to the cosmos.
The heart of any thriving city is its economic activity, and the Blackwell habitat is no different. Here, commerce and industry flourish, driven by innovation. Imagine bustling commercial zones, where shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues cater to the needs of the inhabitants. These are vibrant hubs of social interaction. Adjacent to these commercial centers lie the colony's industrial zones. Here, raw materials from the moon and asteroids are transformed into essential goods and advanced technologies. The Blackwell habitat's commercial and industrial zones are a testament to our innate desire to push the boundaries of possibility.
Lunar bounty mining the moon, a self-sustaining colony, requires a radical shift in thinking, a departure from our reliance on Earth's finite resources. The Blackwell Corporation recognizes the significance of lunar mining by incorporating a vital element into the operational framework. Our celestial neighbor contains a vast, appreciable array of valuable resources. Robotic mining vehicles controlled remotely from the Blackwell habitat tirelessly work on the lunar surface, extracting essential elements. These are not just any elements. We are referring to oxygen, vital for breathing, and propellant, silicon, the backbone of electronics and solar panels, aluminum, titanium, iron, the building blocks of a spacefaring civilization. This isn't about exploiting the moon. It's about leveraging its resources to create a sustainable future for humanity. Lunar mining presents an opportunity to reduce our dependence on Earth's fragile ecosystems, fostering a more balanced and harmonious relationship with our planet. This endeavor can be likened to a lunar gold rush. However, instead of pursuing precious metal, we seek vital building blocks necessary for advancing civilization. The moon, once considered a silent companion, is evolving into a significant resource center for humanity's future endeavors.
The mass driver, a celestial conveyor belt. Here's how it works. Payloads, carefully packaged containers filled with processed lunar resources, are loaded onto the mass driver. Electromagnetic pulses propel the payloads down the track, quickly converting dormant energy into thrilling motion. This method is more energy efficient than traditional rockets, making it a smarter future choice. The mass driver addresses the logistical challenges of transporting lunar resources with precise engineering.
Harnessing lunar dust for spacecraft hulls, a crucial step in utilizing resources beyond Earth. Harnessing raw materials from the moon is only the starting point for incredible possibilities. The Blackwell habitat is envisioned as a hub of space-based manufacturing, where lunar resources are transformed into everything needed to sustain and expand the colony. Inside the habitat, advanced processing facilities, powered by the abundant energy of the sun and quantum entanglement, hum with activity. Here, lunar regolith, once just dust on the moon's surface, undergoes a metamorphosis. Using a combination of a chemical decomposition reaction, three-dimensional printing, and other cutting-edge techniques, it's transformed into breathable oxygen, strong and lightweight building materials, gleaming solar panels, even the intricate components of spacecraft. This closed-loop system, designed to minimize waste while continuously recycling resources, is crucial for ensuring the long-term sustainability of the colony. It reduces dependence on Earth and allows for the creation of a truly self-sufficient spacefaring civilization.
Building a dream, the Blackwell habitat construction. Constructing the Blackwell habitat is a monumental undertaking, a marvel of engineering meant to house thousands in space. It demands meticulous planning, groundbreaking technology, and unwavering dedication. Imagine the vast expanse of space at L5 coming alive. It begins with a small base, a cosmic foothold. Teams of engineers and robotic systems are meticulously assembling the framework of their habitat. Under human supervision, advanced robotic arms weld structural beams together, incrementally constructing the habitat. The shielding process commences, which involves the careful placement and comprehensive testing of multiple layers of lunar rock to establish a protective shell. This endeavor is not a concept of science fiction. Rather, it exemplifies essential principles of physics. Piece by piece, the habitat takes shape, demonstrating human imagination.
A celestial commute transportation network for a spacefaring society. Establishing a permanent human presence in space requires a reliable transportation network. The Blackwell Corporation envisions a complex, interconnected system conquering the vast distances of space. Reusable spacecraft ascend, docking with larger vessels. Smaller craft shuttle people and cargo between the colony and points of interest. Beyond the horizon lies a realm of technological innovations destined for a sustainable future. The Blackwell habitat is a crucible for innovation, revolutionizing life in space and on Earth. Creative solutions in space drive unprecedented technological advancements. Renowned scholars embark on fascinating journeys across various disciplines, delving deeply into medicine, physics, agriculture, materials science, and quantum mechanics. Their explorations expand the boundaries of knowledge and lead to innovative solutions that can transform our world. Esteemed researchers engage in the study of these fields, contributing to advancements that can potentially create a significant impact. They develop new methods for recycling waste and generating energy. Advancements in hydroponics and aeroponics grow food sustainably. Technologies address climate change, resource depletion, and food security. Lessons learned will inspire future generations and offer new solutions. The Blackwell habitat is an exemplification of human vision and exploration. It's a beacon of hope for a brighter future for all of humanity.
A new chapter, life among the stars. Imagine a life beyond Earth, where the sun blazes against infinite stars. The Earth hangs in the distance, a fragile blue marble. This is the promise of the Blackwell habitat, a new chapter in humanity's story. A chapter filled with challenges, opportunities, and boundless potential. Life in the habitat will be different, shaped by the unique environment. Imagine a society where resourcefulness and cooperation are necessities. Children thrive in a world where the stars serve as their playground, their imaginations ignited by the cosmos. There will be challenges and unforeseen obstacles. But in overcoming these challenges, we will discover what it means to be human among the stars.
The Blackwell habitat is more than just a home. It's an economic engine, a catalyst for a new era of innovation. The resources available on the moon and asteroids are increasingly accessible, presenting significant potential to transform the manufacturing sector. Leveraging these extraterrestrial materials could lead to innovative advancements and greater production efficiencies. The resources of the moon and asteroids are now within our reach, presenting a groundbreaking opportunity to transform manufacturing processes. By tapping into these extraterrestrial materials, we can unlock new levels of innovation and efficiency, driving us toward a sustainable future. Imagine new materials, forged in the microgravity of space, lighter, stronger, and more durable than anything we can create on Earth, revolutionizing industries from construction to transportation. The Blackwell habitat, with its strategic location, access to resources, and spirit of innovation, is poised to be at the forefront of this new frontier. It's a future where the pursuit of profit is intertwined with the pursuit of a sustainable future for all humankind. A future where the stars are not just a source of wonder, but a source of prosperity.
A giant leap for humankind embodies the promise of space colonization. The Blackwell habitat is a testament to our insatiable curiosity and drive to explore the unknown. It represents a step towards a future where we are no longer bound by Earth. A future where space is a new home for our species. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. We will gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. We will develop new technologies and inspire future generations. According to the expectations established in the 20th century, progress toward colonizing the solar system has been markedly slow. Forbes raises a pertinent question that merits our attention. Should we attempt colonization? The solar system? Personally, I find this initiative compelling, and I suspect many individuals in the space community share my interest in the potential benefits of such an endeavor. The Blackwell habitat is a beacon of hope and a testament to our ability to dream big. We must carefully consider the implications of relocating substantial numbers of individuals from their home planet, potentially for their lifetimes and future generations. The decision impacts various groups of nations. Building consensus among commercial, civil, defense, and international stakeholders is crucial for success. After the Apollo moon landings, NASA expected to launch manned Mars missions in the 1980s and establish space cities by 2000. The proposed plan outlined an expedition to Mars scheduled for the early 1980s, employing a nuclear-powered rocket. The timeline anticipated that the first human landing on the Martian surface would occur around 1982. According to Britannica, the most prevalent concepts for space colonization involve establishing settlements on Earth's moon, developing habitats on Mars, and constructing free floating space stations. It's our collective obligation to ensure the survival of humanity and to mitigate suffering and extinction. Space colonization represents a logical advancement in both space exploration and human progress. Moreover, it offers an opportunity to enhance our technological capabilities in space, while simultaneously prioritizing the protection of our environment on Earth. Early in the 1600s, Johannes Kepler wrote to Galileo, "Let us create vessels and sails adjusted to the heavenly ether, and there will be plenty of people unafraid of the empty wastes. In the meantime, we shall prepare for the brave sky travelers maps of the celestial bodies."